Let's solve this interesting math problem. We need to find the number n such that the greatest common divisor of 3n and 4n plus the least common multiple of 4n and 5n equals 84. We're looking for a number n such that the GCD of 3n and 4n plus the LCM of 4n and 5n equals 84. First, let's simplify the greatest common divisor of 3n and 4n. Since 3 and 4 are coprime, the greatest common divisor of 3n and 4n is just n. Now, let's simplify the least common multiple of 4n and 5n. Since 4 and 5 are coprime, the least common multiple of 4n and 5n is 20n. Now we can substitute these simplified expressions back into our original equation. This simplifies to 21n equals 84. Finally, we can solve for n by dividing both sides by 21. 84 divided by 21 equals 4. Let's verify our solution. When n equals 4, GCD of 3 times 4 and 4 times 4 is GCD of 12 and 16, which is 4. LCM of 4 times 4 and 5 times 4 is LCM of 16 and 20, which is 80. 4 plus 80 equals 84, which confirms our solution is correct. Therefore, the solution to the problem is n equals 4.